Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay credit card bill online for RBC Bank. And once you've signed in, okay, you will see the account summary page. Now on the right hand side, click on pay bills and transfer funds, okay? And you'll now be on the pay bills and transfer funds page. So what you need to do is choose which account you want the funds to be withdrawn from and who you'd like to make the payment to. So if you have paid this bill before, you can go ahead and see the payee you need when you click on to, okay? Or you can come here and click on add payee if you have not paid this bill before. Now, when you select add payee, you'll be taken to a screen where you can search for the company you need to make a payment to. Just, take a moment, read the tips at the top of the page. And when you're ready, search for your payee. Enter the name right here. Click on search for the payee. And now basically you should see a list of payees to choose from. Just double check, the payee name on your bill exactly matches the name you select on the screen. So just go ahead and, select the name and then click on continue. And now you need to enter the account number or customer number from a recent statement into the account number box without any spaces or dashes, and then click here on continue. And now if you have your latest bill, just go ahead and confirm the payee name and account number are correct. And if they are, go ahead and click on confirm. And if you see an error message, need to check the account number again, go ahead and press on back, okay? Now, once you've added that new payee, you'll see this pop up, okay? This confirmation. Then you can just click on this pay bills and transfer funds page to continue making your payment. Now here, what you need to do is just go ahead and click on this drop down and select the payee you want to pay for, okay? Also, go ahead and enter the bill amount in the enter amount section. Go ahead and choose when you would like the payment to be made. If you want to make the payment now, leave the date as it is. If you want to choose a specific date in the future, select the month, day, and year to choose a new date. And then you need to, of course, adjust the frequency. Is this a one-off payment or is it a recurring payment? Okay, if it is a recurring payment, click frequency, choose how often you'd like to make, for example, bi-weekly, monthly, or yearly. If it's once, that's fine. Go ahead and click on submit, okay? And then at the end, just take a moment, ensure all the details look correct, and if they are, come here, click on confirm, okay? If it doesn't look right, click here and cancel, complete the previous steps again. And once you're done, a confirmation page will appear saying the transaction is complete. You'll get all the details. Now this record of your payment will actually be available in the history tab in the send money section if you need to review it again at a later date. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.